In today's video, we're going to cover how to add PayPal to Google Wallet. And as not to waste your time, as I've watched videos that were posted about 3 weeks ago that show you apparently how to do it, when I can clearly point out that you no longer can unless you are in Germany. And again, there are videos from 3 weeks ago, but support ended on the 16th of June 2025. Linking your PayPal to Google Play is not the same as linking to Google Wallet. So unless you are in Germany, which I unfortunately am not, you cannot link your PayPal. And I've gone onto Google's own help page to show you proof of that. So unfortunately, guys, there is no way to do it. This one is short and sweet. Just had to debunk that, as again on this platform there is misinformation about the subject at hand. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.